one goal is of course to teach all of the riders kung pwede na matuto ng proper cornering, proper riding the bike, yung technology, yung art. So that's why we are really partnering with CSS, and yearly I always try to refresh yung course to remind me, this is the right cornering, ito yung mali kong ginagawa, yung bad habits ko, kung mali yung aking braking point and everything.
We get all sorts of riders from national level superbike riders right up to WSBK, and even some of the MotoGP wildcards have been consistent students of the school. So everyone does the four levels that we do, starting at level 1, which covers off the basic motorcycle controls and the most common errors that motorcyclists make. Level 2 then moves into vision skills, so giving yourself better space and time, understanding how to have the human brain work with this kind of speeds that we deal with. And then level 3 moves into body position, which is where we become more in harmony with the motorcycle and work with it rather than fighting against it. Once you get to level 4, that's where things really get more in depth, and we start working one-on-one with the individual riders in terms of their individual needs.